and welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena, and in today's video it is going to be a after dinner / after cooking clean with me. I made some breakfast items for my husband and I need to get this entire kitchen clean because I made breakfast items and I cooked dinner. So just everything is pretty messy. I did some chicken in the air fryer, so I really need to get that cleaned out. And as you can see, you know, it's after dinner. I have a lot of dishes that I need to hand wash. And so I'm just going to go ahead and get this whole area nice and clean. These areas over here too, these little side areas are just getting a little cluttered, so I'm going to go ahead and take care of that as well while I'm at it. And yeah, we'll just go ahead and get this kitchen nice and clean. Alright, so to start, I just need to put some of this food away. My husband, he has to get up very early for work in the morning, and so I just make little egg muffins for him so he can eat them on his way to work. It's basically just like eggs and cheese and bacon, and some, like, you know, salt and pepper and things like that mixed in and baked. And then I just make a bunch of bacon and put those in there so he just has a little like egg bite and bacon for work in the morning. So I just have to get all of this food and stuff like that put away, get everything cleared up, and then I'll start wiping things down before I start all this hand washing and things like that.
Kill the church bell. We are silent, not on well. Oh, 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 oh.
I found this little turntable at Target in the dollar spot. I thought it was so cute, and I think it is a perfect little size. I'm going to use it either up in my spice cabinet or in my pantry somewhere. I haven't decided, but I really like it, and for only $3, I thought it was a really good deal.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand.
Okay, I'm gonna start on dishes now, and I have quite a few dishes that need to be put into the dishwasher. And once I get all those dishes in the dishwasher, I will then start hand washing all these other items that I need to hand wash. And there's quite a bit tonight because I did, you know, make the little egg bites and bacon and things that were outside of just dinner. So we'll just go ahead and get all this done.
Time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you.
So this griddle pan is really stained, but it is really, really old too. We got this griddle pan from my husband's parents, probably like 5 or so years ago, and it had this big black stain on it already. But they got this pan in 1983. That's how old this pan is, this griddle pan. Sorry. But it works so well. It never burns anything, makes the best pancakes. And so I know it's like old and has that stain, and I like think I should buy a new one, but I really like don't need one, so I never buy a new one because it just works really well. So I just have a really old griddle pan that isn't so pretty, but it works well. And then also here I need to clean this air fryer really well. So I made chicken in this air fryer for dinner for my boys. It's so funny, there's like a lot of memes going around right now that like our grandmas would be sad that we're making chicken in the air fryers, but it works so well, I swear guys. Like, it makes it so crispy and it's so nice. I have not tried it with a coating actually. I usually just do like what it would be like baked chicken, but instead it's air fried chicken. But the skin crisps up so nicely and it's so juicy. So if you have an air fryer and you haven't tried making chicken in it, you should really try it because it works really well.
And I hope you know that I thank you for making me see it. I know I never meant to hurt you. I know I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself. 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 I want you to know I won't let go, even if I couldn't love you back the same way you've been loved. Let me always.
I'm going to replace my bottle brush and my sponge holder. I always get the gray color, but they were out, so the best was this blue. And my sponge holder, the little suction cups kind of gave out, so this is from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to replace this as well and just get a nice new sponge in there as well. And then we'll get going and drying some of these pans and pots that I just washed.
I know I never meant to hurt you. I know I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself. 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 I'm in love with myself.
Okay, so we're moving over here now. This area has gotten a little cluttered over the last couple days, so I'm just going to take care of this quickly before I move on, and then I'm just going to sweep and then just quickly do kind of a lazy mopping, and then we'll be finished.
You notice it's getting cold and it's getting darker. I never really heard what you said. You never took the time, but I never listened. As the sun goes down, thoughts fill my mind. Seems like our summer is through. Everybody cheers for you. You're gone tonight, I'll be away, and everything feels the same. Everybody's gone, I'm in the cab. The messenger says that you want me dead. I know our summer is through, but now it's time to catch you. Josephine, oh Josephine, in her search for the sun. Until then,
So to mop up my floor, I'm going to use this Rejuvenate No Bucket Floor Cleaner and just a Swiffer and a microfiber towel. And this is just kind of what I've been doing lately instead of getting on my hands and knees when I just want to clean, little areas. Tonight I do not want to mop my entire house. My boys ate some Otter Pops for dessert, and there were a few sticky spots around the table that I wanted to get up. And then also I made bacon, and so there was some grease that had splattered around the pan when I was making the bacon, so I wanted to make sure I got that up, but I really didn't want to hassle with the whole bucket and mop. So this was my lazy way of mopping tonight.
you left me in silence. I never understood why you left. You never took the time, but
Okay, so I am all finished cleaning the kitchen tonight, and it definitely looks a lot better now than when I started. No dishes on the countertops. All the countertops are nice and clean. I don't have to worry about stepping in little slippery grease spots on the floor or anything like that, or any little sticky spots on the floor either. And that's going to be the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please consider watching another one. I hope you have a